Your ETFs will one day earn more in a single year than your entire salary. Most investors never hit that moment because they quit right before the curve bends. There are three exact tipping points between where you are right now and financial independence. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which one you are at and what is coming next. The foundation. Most people think building wealth is a straight line. You save a little, invest a little, and it grows slowly over time. But that is not how it actually works. Wealth doesn't grow in a line, it grows in a curve. Right now, the median household income in the United States is about $83,700 a year. The median net worth for Americans under 35 is roughly $39,000, and the personal savings rate has dropped to around 4%. That means for most people, nearly every dollar of net worth growth comes from one source, their paycheck. Their ETFs aren't doing much yet. And that is not because they picked the wrong funds. It is because they haven't hit the first tipping point. Tipping point 1. Returns exceed contributions. Tipping point number 1 is when your investment returns exceed your contributions. This is the moment your ETF portfolio starts pulling more weight than you do. Here is the exact math. If you are investing $10,000 a year and your portfolio returns 10%, roughly the long-term average of the S&P 500, then once your portfolio hits $100,000, your returns match your contributions. A 10% gain on $100,000 is $10,000. The same amount you put in all year long. Charlie Munger said it plainly. The first $100,000 is the hardest, but from there, it snowballs. Going from $0 to $100,000 takes the average investor roughly 7 to 10 years. But going from $100,000 to $200,000 shrinks to about 5 years. And from $200,000 to $400,000 is even faster. Once your returns start matching what you contribute, every new dollar you invest gets amplified. Your money starts earning its own money. That is when the curve begins to bend. But here is what trips people up. About 1 out of every 3 years, the market posts a negative return, and it can feel like you are sliding backward. This is where most people make their biggest mistake. They panic, they sell, they stop contributing, and they reset their entire curve right before the acceleration hits. The people who push through those years are the ones who reach tipping point 2. Tipping point 2. Returns match your salary. Tipping point number 2 is when your ETF returns match your entire salary in a single year. This is the moment that changes your psychology around money forever. When your portfolio generates the same amount of growth in a single year as your entire salary, something clicks. You stop asking, how do I earn more? And you start asking, why am I still trading all my time for money? If you earn $83,700 a year and your portfolio averages a 10% return, you hit this tipping point when your portfolio reaches roughly $837,000. At that point, your investments are growing at the same rate as your salary without you working a single extra hour. Now consider what the S&P 500 actually delivered. Over 26% in 2023 and over 25% in 2024. If you had a portfolio of $400,000 at the start of 2023, by the end of 2024, your ETFs alone would have generated more growth than most Americans earn in 2 full years of work. You didn't work overtime. You didn't get a raise. Your portfolio just outran your salary. Because once your portfolio matches your salary, every extra year you stay invested doesn't just add to your net worth, it multiplies it. At $500,000, a 10% return hands you $50,000. At $1 million, that same 10% gives you $100,000. At $2 million, it is $200,000 without contributing a single new dollar. Tipping point 3. Financial independence. Tipping point number 3 is financial independence. This is the point where your ETF portfolio can cover all your living expenses indefinitely. The machine you built, the portfolio you fed for years, is now big enough to sustain your life on its own. The standard benchmark is the 4% rule. Take your annual living expenses, multiply by 25, and that is your number. If you spend $60,000 a year, you need $1.5 million. If you spend $80,000, your number is $2 million. If you spend $100,000, you are looking at $2.5 million. But here is the part nobody talks about. Most of the distance between where you are now and that number gets covered by tipping points 1 and 2. Once your returns are outpacing your contributions and matching your salary, the compounding does the rest. The median net worth for Americans between 55 and 64 is about $364,500. The average is over $1.5 million. That gap tells you everything. The people who hit these tipping points early and stayed consistent got exponentially ahead. The ETF that gets you there. The vehicle that gets most people to all three tipping points is not complicated. VOO. The Vanguard S&P 500 ETF at 0.03% fee has delivered approximately 15.51% per year over the last decade. $10,000 became $42,274. VGT. The Vanguard Information Technology ETF at 0.09% fee delivered 25.53% per year over the same decade. $10,000 became $94,935. SCHD at 0.06% fee adds the income layer. 3.2% yield growing at 9.2% per year for 14 consecutive years. The dividend check gets bigger every single year, automatically, without you doing anything. You don't need 20 ETFs, you don't need to time the market, you don't need to predict the next crash. You need one or two of these automatic contributions and enough patience to stay in through the bad years. The math doesn't care about your starting point. It cares about your consistency, your time, and whether you stay in the game. Where are you right now? Here is how to find out exactly which tipping point you are at right now. Look at your portfolio value today. Figure out your annual contribution. Then divide your portfolio value by that number. If the result is under 10, you are in the grind phase. Every dollar counts. Keep going. If it is between 10 and 25, you are approaching the acceleration zone. The curve is starting to bend. If it is over 25, you may be closer to financial independence than you think. Every dollar you invest today is a seed. At first you won't see much, and the returns will feel insignificant, but you are building the base of the curve, and every dollar is bringing you closer to tipping point 1, where your ETFs start earning more than you can put in. From there, the snowball rolls on its own. The tipping points are real. The math is on your side. Subscribe and drop your number in the comments right now. Divide your portfolio by your annual contribution and tell me what you get.